Hello and welcome to Hubspot tutorial. I'm Mike, your guide and friend. In today's tutorial, we'll walk through how to edit and delete records in bulk from the Object Index page in Hubspot. HubSpot CRM is built around 4 core objects: contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. As you and your team create records for these objects, your CRM database grows. Over time, you may need to update, assign, or remove multiple records at once. That's where bulk actions come in. For this demo, we'll be working with deals. Start by navigating to Sales, then click Deals. If your deals are displayed in Board View, switch to Table View so you can perform bulk actions. From here, you can select deals individually using the checkboxes next to each deal name, or select all deals at once using the checkbox at the top of the table. Once you've selected multiple deals, you'll notice new options appear at the top, such as Assign, Edit, Delete, and Create Task. Use Assign to bulk assign deals to a team member. Choose an owner from the drop-down and confirm. To update deal properties in bulk, click Edit, select the property you want to change, choose the new value, and click Update. If you need to remove deals, select Delete, confirm the number of records, and proceed. You can also create tasks for multiple deals at once by clicking Create Task and completing the task details in the left panel. And that's how you edit records in bulk from the Object Index page in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. We're happy to help. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.